Thousands of years ago, before calculators, before computers, even before writing, humans faced a problem. How do you keep track of things you cannot hold in your hands? Imagine a shepherd standing in the desert counting his sheep. 1, 2, 3, but after 20, he forgets. To solve this, early humans carved marks on bones. They tied knots in ropes. They placed stones in piles. This was not just counting, it was the first spark of mathematics. Fast forward to ancient Egypt, the mighty pyramids rise from the sand. How were they built so perfectly without machines? The answer was geometry. Egyptians studied shapes, lines, and angles to align those massive stones with the stars above. Then came the Babylonians, who looked up at the sky and mapped the movement of planets. They created tables of numbers and even invented the base 60 system, which is why we still have 60 seconds in a minute and 360 degrees in a circle. But the story doesn't end there. Across the Aegean Sea in ancient Greece, a man named Pythagoras declared that numbers rule the universe. He gave us the famous theorem, A2 plus B2 equals sine C2. But to him, mathematics was not just calculation, it was a secret language of nature. Later, Archimedes leapt from his bath shouting "Eureka!" after discovering how to measure volume. He built war machines, studied levers, and said, "Give me a place to stand, and I will move the earth." Centuries passed. In India, mathematicians invented the number 0, a symbol that changed the world. The Arabs carried these ideas across continents, giving us algebra, a word that means reunion of broken parts. And then came the Renaissance. In Europe, minds like Descartes and Newton pushed mathematics to new heights, creating calculus, the very language of motion, planets, and science itself. Today, mathematics is everywhere. It powers the phone in your pocket, the rockets that explore space, and even the algorithms that run the internet. From marks on bones to artificial intelligence, the story of mathematics is the story of human imagination. And so I ask you, is mathematics just numbers? Or is it the hidden code of the universe? The story continues, and you are now part of it.